We're back at Green Valley Ranch. And today, we're gonna be back storming on jackpots. So let's go. Join me. All right, everyone. I got $200 loaded up here today. We're back at the storming jackpots machines, Winner's World. We're gonna start with the casino riches. Let's, should we do 1 cent, 2 cent, 5 cent? Let's start at, we'll start at nickels. Why not? Why not? All right, it's $1.25 bet. Start off here. Let's see if we can get a little bonies. I'm on. All right, is there a volume button? Volume, that's all the way up. There we go. I guess they just make the games quiet. When I clicked the button, it was a lot louder. Come on. Roulette wheels. So we want 3 gold cases. Come on. Let's see if we can get some poker chips. 6 poker chips, please. 4 more. Oh, the mini was $50. Come on. We'll give this a little. 4 more. Give this a little go. See what we can do. We may switch over to the Tiki game. Come on, cases. 1 more. Oh. Give it a little bit more. 2 more, 3 more. Roulette, little roulette. 4. 3 more. You know, jinx to get those 3 in the very first one. Never get it. Come on. All right. Let's try 2 cents. Let's do $1.50 or we'll do $2. $2. We'll see what we get. All right, some queens. Got some queens. Not quite off our bet back, but you know, a little bit helps. Yes, yes, yes. That's got to be a good one. That's got to be a good one, yeah? How much of a winner is this? All right, a $42 winner right there. That's a $42 winner. Winner's World, hell yeah. Come on. All right, cases. Ladies. Oh, I thought I was gonna get 5 ladies. That's okay. That's $6. That's okay. Come on, 4 more, 2 more. Yes. Ooh, that's $30. That's $20. Nice. Hold and spin. That's a go. All right, come on, let's see some words. I see a mini going by. Gotta land something though, come on. Land one. This isn't Phoenix League, I don't get a second try. Gotta land one. There we go, another 20. Nice, come on. Here we go. Heating it up, heating up. Land one. Yeah, all right. All right, fill in the top row. Fill in the top row, come on. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it, come on, mini. Mini me, mini me. All right, land something, anything. I'll take anything. Oh, okay. How much is it? How much is it? Ooh. $98, everybody. Oh, look at those coins. We can reach up here, catch it, catch it, catch it, catch it, catch it. 98, we're at 300. We're up $100. All right, let's go a little bit more here. See if this one's still hot. Okay, 10s. That's not gonna move the needle too much, but let's keep going. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on, don't do that. All right. Normally, I'd say let's walk away at that 100. Oh, come on, 3 more. Oh. Video's too short, though. Let's go. Come on. Queens. Okay. All right, 300. Do it. Roulettes. All right, let's go and take a look at the pennies. Let's see how the pennies are doing. Some do magic bet, $1.50. $1.50 magic bet. Make it happen. 2 more. All right. Just give it a little bit. Just give it a little bit, and then we'll move over to Tiki. Stop that one on accident. All right, come on. Oh, all right. Here we go. Come on, aces. I don't know. I want aces. Full. Royal flush. Whatever. Same. All right. Come on. All right. Let's go ahead. Let's go try our luck at our fire idol, Tiki Man. Okay, $1.25. Let's go, Tikis. Come on. Oh, volcano. Come on, let's go. Volcanoes. Oh, come on, more. Okay. Come on. What do we got? What are we going? What are we doing here, Tikis? Man, something. Lady? No, not even a lady. Okay, got a little bit of lady. 4 more. 4 more. How many times do I want to say 4 more? Come on. Okay, a little Jackie Jack, 50 cents. Volcano. Oh. Come on, Tikis. There we go, come on. How much from a beach? 5 from a beach, 4.25 for everything. Okay. Okay. Come on, let's land it. Let's land it. Fishies. Some fishies for 75 cents. Come on, volcano. Don't make me tap you. You make me tap you. All right. Nickels seem to be dead. Let's go ahead. Let's try the 2 cents. 2 cents seem to be working today. $2. $2, 2 cents. $1 million. Let's go. Come on, 3 more. $2 magic. Hello, Tikis. Tikis ain't doing so much today. Come on, Tikis. Come on. Do I need to drop my bet here? Let's go. We'll go $1. Ah. All right. All right, the last 30 bucks here. We're gonna go do pennies. Pennies. Magic. Let's go. Magic bet. Come on, volcano. Volcano, volcano. Ah. Got 2, 5. No line hits. Big old bamboozle. Big old turkey right there. Come on. Let's do it. Gotta give me one. We're storming jackpots. Let's storm ahead. Come on. Everybody. Come on. Come on, give me some. Give me a bonus. We need a bonus. Come on. What'd I get? Okay, couple ladies. Couple more ladies. Butterflies. Butterflies in the sky. Come on. Oh. Come on, 2 more. Man, these tikis are a tough one. 4. All right, so let's reevaluate here. So we're back down to our original 200. Let's think, what should we do? Tikis, I'm not feeling it. Not feeling the tikis. Let's go ahead and cash this out. And should we go back to storming? Storming? How much is, oops. How much are we looking at with dimes? Looking at 250 minimum? All right. We'll go down. We'll put 1 more 100 through here. See if we can get something at 250 dimes. Come on. Yeah, like I said before, if I wasn't doing this for a video, I would have walked away with my $100. But the video would have been too short. That would have been just a short. Come on. Come on, let's have some fun. Let's get another bonus. Do it. 4. 2 more. Oh. Lady. Okay, ladies. $1.50 for ladies. Give me a bonus. Bonus. Come on. Oh, I thought I was getting the more wilds. It's pretty cold, huh? Come on. 4 more. 3, 4. Oh. I'm gonna get down to 150 here. I've got to reevaluate. Let's switch. Let's switch down to nickels. We're going minimum nickels, $1.25. Again, see if we can get some. All right, that's a good one. $6, okay. That's what we need. More like that. Come on. 10s. All right, poker chips, make me happy. Poker chips make me happy. Even more than potato chips. Come on. Come on, briefcase. Are you making it tough on me? Because you're gonna give me the grand. Come on. 3 more, 3 more, 3 more. Come on. Where are my 6 chips? I need 6 chips. One more, please. You're not listening to me, machine. I said I need 6 chips. All right, come on. Case. Oh, you're missing the middle case. 4 more. Come on, 1 more. Yarg. Come on. Sting saying, sending out an SOS. Come on. SOS. We need bonus. 3 more. All right, 25 bucks. 25 bucks left. We gotta do it. We got to do it. We gotta do it. Something. 3. Come on, 1 more. 1 more. 1 more. You know, sometimes can't even call it out. $18 left. Come on, positive thinking. Bonus. We're getting a bonus. Come on, come on. All right. There we go. Okay. 335. Let's go in there. Briefcase. 3 more. 2 more. Oh, come on. I don't know why I said 2. Words just come out of my mouth sometimes, and I don't even know. I don't know why. I know my numbers. I passed kindergarten. I promise. Come on. All right, $5 left, everybody. Come on, we need to get one. All right. Magic, 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 magic bonus. That's not bonus. All right, this is the last one. Gonna do it 1 and go down penny. Do 50 cents, 2 bets at 50 cents. Oh, 2 minis. 2 minis, too late. All right. All right, everybody. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Got to play a little Lightning Link there. Like I said before, I would have walked away normally with my $100 profit, but just for video purposes, it's the only reason why I put it back through. And the down 100 got really cold there, but we'll try it again. But we need to move on to our next adventure. So thank you for commenting and sharing this video. And remember, keep your dreams big, keep your bets low. We'll see you next time.